Today, I'll show you how to secure WhatsApp with passkeys, encrypted backups, chat lock, and other privacy features that protect your conversations. Enable Passkey. To enable Passkey, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap 3 vertical dots on Android top right, or gear icon on iOS bottom right. Go to Settings. Tap Account. Select Passkeys. Tap Create Passkey and then Continue. Verify your identity using your device screen lock, fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. Enable two-step verification. To set up two-step verification, tap Account Settings again. Then select two-step verification. Tap Turn On or Enable. Enter a unique 6-digit PIN and re-enter the 6-digit PIN to confirm. Protect your encrypted backup. To encrypt your cloud backups, tap on Chats in the Settings page. Then select Chat Backup. Tap on End-to-End Encrypted Backup. You can use a passkey or create a password or generate a 64-digit encryption key for the backup. Let's use passkey for now. Verify your identity using your device screen lock, fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. Use Chat Lock. To lock a chat on WhatsApp, open the specific chat you want to protect. Tap the contact or group name at the top and scroll to Chat Lock. Toggle on Chat Lock. Tap Continue and confirm with your fingerprint, Face ID, or device passcode. The chat moves to a hidden locked chats folder in your inbox. Use disappearing messages. Open the specific chat you want to turn on disappearing messages for more privacy. Tap the contact or group name at the top and scroll to disappearing messages. Tap disappearing messages. You can set messages to disappear 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days after they are sent. Select 24 hours or your preferred message timer. Go back to chat. You can see disappearing messages is turned on. The message will disappear for both senders and recipients. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe to How to Tech Hub and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.